Hello to everyone from the world of Zone News. Thank you for choosing us. Our video today is about the 2023 Ford Mustang Mach-E. You will make us happy by watching the video until the end. The Mustang Mach-E modernizes the pony car nameplate with an electric powertrain and available all-wheel drive. Ford continues to play with its sporty SUV for 2023, finding more range for one of its equipment and adding more standard technology to the lineup. Competitors in the rapidly expanding segment include the Hyundai Ioniq 5 and Toyota bZ4X. Ford is mostly right in electrifying its iconic pony car. Both the RWD and AWD versions of the Mustang Mach-E offer sharp design, high build quality, lots of technology, and a comfortable ride. But like its iconic predecessor, the EV should be fun to drive, and in that respect the Mach-E is better than we expected. Power is impressive and its delivery is smooth and linear. The 2021 premium AWD model we tested was almost as fast as a Tesla Model Y. Although the SUV is heavy, body movements are well controlled. Steering is precise and brakes are outstanding. Even triggering the oversteer and letting its tail hang is relatively easy. Best-in-class Mach-E GT models are the most Mustang models. While there's a noticeable drop in power at the top of acceleration, these are even faster than a gas-powered V8 Mustang to 60 miles per hour from a standstill. They may not look or sound like traditional American iron, but the Mach-E delivers on its performance promise. The 2023 Mustang Mach-E Select is the entry-level model and is available with single-engine rear-wheel drive or dual-engine all-wheel drive. It's only available with a standard range 70 kWh battery, and Ford estimates the range will be 247 miles for RWD and 224 miles for AWD. Output is rated at 266 horsepower and 317 lb-ft of torque for RWD or 428 lb-ft of torque for AWD. The automaker fixes it 0 to 60 times in 5.8 seconds for rear-wheel drive and 5.2 seconds for AWD. Upgrading to premium equipment unlocks the 2023 Mach-E's 91 kWh extended range battery. However, range is expected to be 306 miles, 3 miles more than 2022 EPA estimates for RWD variants and 290 miles for AWDs, an increase of 13 miles over last year. Models with the standard battery are expected to have the same range as the Select base models. Horsepower ranges from 266 horsepower for both the RWD and AWD versions with the standard range battery to 346 horsepower for the premium AWD with the extended battery. Regardless of the battery, torque is rated at 317 lb-ft for premium RWD models and 428 lb-ft for AWD variants. Ford estimates 0 to 60 times between 6.1 seconds for RWD with extended range battery and 4.8 seconds for AWD with same battery pack. California Route 1 hardware is back for 2023. It returns with long-range battery only and is now only available with AWD. Ford pegs have a range of 312 miles and rates power at 346 horsepower and 428 lb-ft of torque. It is expected to reach 60 miles per hour without stopping in 4.8 seconds. At the top of the lineup is the 2023 Mustang Mach-E GT, available only with AWD and extended range battery, like California Route 1. The range on a full charge should be 270 miles unless you own the GT Performance Edition, which provides an estimated 260 miles. Output is rated at 480 horsepower and 600 lb-ft of torque or 634 lb-ft of torque with the Performance Edition. Ford says the 2023 Mach-E GT accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.8 seconds, while the Mach-E GT Performance Edition does the same sprint 3.5 seconds faster. If you don't think the 2023 Mustang Mach-E looks sporty enough, Ford is now offering the Mustang Night Pony package on premium models with extended battery and GT Performance Edition models. The premium finishes included with the package get black 19-inch wheels, front and rear lower fascia, door trim, side mirror caps and pony badges. With the package, the 2023 Mach-E GT Performance Edition gets 20-inch black wheels and a black GT badge. Regardless of model, the Mustang Night Pony package can be paired with any 2023 Mustang Mach-E exterior color. Every 2023 Mustang Mach-E is equipped with standard Ford Co-Pilot 360 driver assistance technology. System features include automatic emergency braking, rear automatic emergency braking, rear parking sensors, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic monitoring, lane keeping system and automatic high beams. Co-Pilot 360 Assist 2.0 is also included and comes with adaptive cruise control, lane centering and traffic sign recognition. On select floor coverings, the Blue Cruise hands-free ride and 360-degree view camera system are available for a free 90-day trial. Mechanically similar 2021 and 2022 Mustang Mach-E S each received IIHS second highest best safety pick distinction. Both models earned good scores in crash endurance tests and superior ratings in crash avoidance and mitigation assessments. Space in the 2023 Mustang Mach-E is comparable to the 2022 Hyundai Ioniq 5. Ford, even more, it offers less front legroom as well as 2.5 cubic feet more cargo space behind the rear row of seats.